Yo, what's up, fellow neck binders? I hit 20 likes in the tweet, and I promised to do a tutorial on this knack. So here we go, the vNac. Okay, boys, so here's the vNac tutorial. What you have to do is get the titty knack, like on the right gun, like that. And then you gotta shoot the left gun, and then press Y, like really quick, because then you'll get the intervention noise, like in the kill cam. Nope. Well, okay. We got it. I think so. There we go, boys. This is what we like to see. So, thanks for watching, boys. I hope this will be good for you, and I hope you like the knack. I've never seen it before, but I hope it's a first though. But if you've seen anybody hit it, please link down in the comments though. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Oh! What? Holy shit, dude!